score goal, you give the player who give you assist a bonus.
Like a boss machine,
Ya,
Wang, banyak.
bonus.
Welcome back again to Persib Podcast.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sampurasun boboto Persib salam dunia. Berjumpa lagi bersama dengan Ninit Kaluna di Persib Podcast. Dan sebelum kita membahas dan memulai Persib Podcast kali ini, saya juga mewakili segenap kru dari Persib Podcast yang bertugas mengucapkan turut berbelasungkawa yang sebesar-besarnya untuk Rahmat Irianto, Mas Rian atas berpulangnya sang ayahanda tercinta, legenda sepak bola Indonesia, Coach Bejo Sugiantoro. Semoga Mas Rian dan juga keluarga yang ditinggalkan ini diberikan ketabahan, kesabaran, keikhlasan, dan juga kekuatan. Dan semoga almarhum Coach Bejo ini juga mendapatkan tempat terbaik. Dan kita akan ada one moment silent terlebih dahulu untuk almarhum Coach Bejo. Sekali lagi mudah-mudahan apa yang ditinggalkan oleh Coach Bejo ini juga bisa menjadi inspirasi bagi dunia sepak bola Indonesia. Dan kita kembali lagi ke Persib Podcast di episode kali ini. Ini merupakan episode yang memang sangat luar biasa. Kenapa Ninit bilang luar biasa? Karena pemain yang hadir juga pemain yang sangat luar biasa. Pemain yang memang sudah dinantikan sama bobotoh yang kalau misalnya nonton Persib Podcast atau selalu bertanya-tanya kapan pemain ini akan ada di Persib Podcast. Kita kasih sambutan yang paling meriah, one and only David Da Silva. Selamat datang. Kalau Ninit bilang David Da Silva, jawabnya gitu ya, yang kencang ya. David. Nah, yang nonton juga pasti teriak-teriak David Da Silva. Woo, finally welcome to Persib Podcast, David. This is the first time you come to Persib Podcast and everybody waiting for this moment. Wow, finally. So welcome to Persib Podcast.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm pleased to be here. Yeah, was to be before, but okay, on the time. This is the time that I will enjoy here. Thank you so much for inviting me, and I'm excited to know and you what you know, what you wanna know. I wanna also answer as expected. Thank you so much for inviting.
Yes, kumaha damang?
Saya.
You can speak in Sundanese.
Sedikit.
Dan kamu juga bisa berbicara bahasa Indonesia.
Ya, saya coba. Try. Ya.
So we try
Sedikit
in
bisa.
bahasa. Ya, mix.
Mix better.
Ya, mix better ya. Karena sebenarnya kalau misalnya kita lihat David Da Silva, apalagi anaknya nih, para bobotoh pasti udah tahu banget sama Davi gitu kan ya. Davi speaking in bahasa so good and speaking in Sundanese. Ya kan?
Saya mau coba, saya mau belajar, saya mau coach. Ya. Teacher, ya.
So we try mix in bahasa and English.
Oke.
High five.
Yeah.
Oke, kapan lagi toh sama David Da Silva? Oke, David, tanggal 1 Maret nanti Persib ini akan away ke Surabaya, ya kan? Pertandingan melawan Persebaya Surabaya. How the preparation overall for the next match against Persebaya Surabaya?
Yeah, the preparation was fine. We have very good concentration now, focus, because we didn't get 3 points home against Madura, and procedure was also draw, but the very very important point away. But now I think we are very very strong and 100% to fight. And the preparation was on my eyes was so nice to see the team 100% and concentrate. The most important is the concentration of the players. Also, we can mix with the coach, and I think we can fight for the 3 points away. This will be the target.
Targetnya sudah pasti menjadi kita akan mendapatkan 3 poin, dan kita juga mendoakan bersama-sama karena memang pertandingan di depan ini tidak pernah mudah. Against Madura in home, I can tell Persib is underperform maybe. What you guys need to improve for the next match? Beside the concentration from the players.
Yeah, the concentration is the most important. We have to be patient. The focus to the target also have to be 100%. I think in my vision we predicated to see Madura in another perform. They just come here to draw. They were won against Dewa, and we are preparing for maybe surprise. And they just come to draw. They just come to park the bus back, and we had a little bit confused, and also some problems to find the space, because where I see on the field have a white and red jersey. Maybe with me, I think every time three players, and we have to expect this from the teams that comes to Gebelia, because we are very strong home. So they think about this. They think about us too. And I think it's not underperforms. This is about how the game was hard to break the line. We had many chances also to score. I think I have one. Sleep a little bit on the field. Tyrone also good shoot, good save. Heading. Ciro also the save. So sometimes the ball just doesn't come. So football is like this, and we have more games, 10 more games to play, and we have to be concentrate to the end.
Because the close is never enough.
Yeah, this is hard, but we have to fight. As the last year also was not easy, but we find the space, and we scored the goals. Even me, Ciro also was on track, and this year I hope we continue doing what we did before. Yeah, we have to.
Yeah, you have to. We have to. Yes. Okay, I agree. David, we know before you play in Bandung, in Persib, you play in Surabaya, in Persebaya. Do you have a special treatment for the match against Persebaya? Because we know the atmosphere in Surabaya is so amazing.
Yeah, this is my second home. This is the team that I was more time also. Since I came to Indonesia. They brought me when I was unexpected from everybody. So I had many critics people to speak about me before, and they just brought me, and they trust on my hard work. I have been speaking about this before, and I have too much affect with them. So Surabaya is my family also like too much there, and when I go there, they see as me as a important player to Persebaya in that moment. So they respect me a lot, and this is, I can give back also, because I was happy there too. And Persib also, as they collect me here. I had a name before also when I came here, but this is my job. I have to inside the field. I cannot think about anything else. Also, I can do only my job, and my job to score. So I cannot see this feeling on when I put the jersey. I defend my jersey to the end, and I had, I think, Persebaya was the team that I score most of goals. I think in the Indonesia teams. So this is the this is the way that I find. This is not predicated, but I had chance and I scored. So I think they have this also with me. If I score against them, also they respect me a lot because I'm inside the field to do my job. So they think about they are sad because they lose the game, but also they see me scoring and they feel something about me, you know. So I feel very, very, very welcome there, you know. So that's the, as I told, the God feeling, you know, the feeling of God gift. So I'm feel blessed.
You're so blessed.
Yeah.
Ya. You're so blessed. Dan kalau bisa kita berbicara tentang David da Silva dengan tugasnya, tadi kan David juga sudah bilang bahwa tugasnya adalah sebagai seorang striker adalah make a goal, make a score. Ya kan? Nah, ngomongin soal goal dan soal score atau mungkin soal gol lah ya. Nih, kita akan bahas tentang gol yang memang dicetak sama David da Silva. Ini sebenarnya memang membutuhkan konfirmasi. I need your confirmation. Ya, if ini kayak sebenarnya Bobotoh juga mungkin sempat ingat ada sebuah rumor yang mengatakan kalau memberikan passing, if the player give you a assist and you make a score goal, you give the player who give you assist a bonus.
Like a boss machine.
Ya, bonus.
Banyak.
Bonus, one goal, one assist, and bonus from DDS. It's that true?
Yeah, this is true. This is true. Sometimes, we have to be happy. On my side or their side. Also, this is happen sometimes. Like Beckham all the time, he's the blessed guy, you know.
Yeah.
Accuracy also is nice, is fine, and I think he's happy too because when he play, he always time David go, I give to you. I say okay.
Yeah. Beckham told to us if he give you assist and you give him a bonus. Yeah. So it's that true.
Yeah, this is we have to be in the same way, you know. So if I receive, he have to receive too. So this is fair.
This is a win-win solution.
Yeah, solution.
Okay, only for Beckham or for the other players?
Yes. With the foreigners, we didn't speak because this is their job. So I also didn't ask the money because I give also many assists and I just because the locals, I think they didn't score much. If you see normally they didn't score. It's hard to score all the time. So also the accuracy is a bit down of I think this is they have no many chance to score. So this is the way that everyone can be happy, you know. So I find this solution.
Yeah. The win-win solution.
And Persib win.
Yeah.
I score, Persib win.
Yeah.
He give assist.
Yeah.
He get the money, and everyone is happy.
Yeah. You give me assist, and I will give you a bonus. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Talking about Beckham, you have a good connection with Beckham, ya.
Yeah, of course. He's my bintang muda.
Oh, bintang muda.
Yeah, he's the guy that when I came here the first time, he was young. I think when I came here 2022, he was under 20.
Yeah.
Under 20. So in the first time I saw him, it was amazing. I tell him, Beckham, you have to be work more hard.
Oh yeah,
because you can go to Europe easily.
Oh yeah.
I have been in many countries and it's hard to see too many technique, fast ball control, everything's accuracy of the passing, delivery. So if he works hard, I think he can fly. Yeah, he can fly. I see. In my eyes, I see you with the Indonesian number 10 in national team. You know? I speak him about this every time. I say you have to think about this. You have to dream more, because this for me is not enough for only stay here.
Yes.
And if he has
aboard
more dreams to fly, so I think he can be world class recognized. No, he can be. Everyone can know about him, like Marcelino.
Yeah.
He's also top level. That I see. Iggy went there, but he come back. But he also is with the good performance for Indonesia. This is most important. That's why I think more about future for the youth to prepare the mental, or also the culture. The guys who wants dreams more. He can, I think, reach on that way. That's why.
Nah, itu yang disampaikan sama aku harus geser lagi. Ini saking serunya ngobrol sama David da Silva sampai Ninit kayaknya lupa nih posisinya ada di mana ya. Oke, tapi tadi sempat dibahas juga bagaimana memang penilaian dari seorang David da Silva untuk seorang Beckham Putra Nugraha, bintang muda. The nickname is bintang muda.
Bintang muda.
From you.
Yeah.
Not King Atam.
No. King Atam. Bintang muda.
Bintang muda.
Since I came, he bintang muda.
Bintang muda. Okay, talking about you have a good connection with Beckham, with bintang muda ya. And a few next game, maybe you will lose a bintang muda ya. How do you see this situation?
Yeah. It's bad to lose him. It's sad. I feel bad. We also don't know why they take 3 games with the normal celebration.
Yes.
Okay, he's just cold.
Tiris.
Yeah, tiris.
Yeah.
But we have we squared. Also everyone's is sharp. I feel in the training everyone's is 100%. We have Tyrone, you have Ciro. Now who else comes have to be focused. So this is important. So we cannot think about something that we cannot hold. So it don't gonna happen. So we cannot think. So we have to think about the real thing. So we have the reality now, and we have to go on. That's my mental. So I have no bintang muda. I have to think about my way.
Yes.
So that's my mental, you know.
Iya. Nah, Bobotoh, kalau misalnya kita melihat bagaimana David da Silva bersama dengan keluarganya, kesehariannya, ini kan yang tadi Nit bilang juga ya, kalau anak-anaknya ini sudah bisa berbicara bahasa Indonesia dengan baik, lalu juga bicara bahasa Sunda, ya kan. Nah, sekarang kita akan tanya sama David, kalau kamu sudah punya makanan favorit kesukaan kamu gitu, yang ada di Bandung, kamu biasanya suka makan apa?
Nasi goreng. Saya suka banyak.
Nasi goreng. Kamu makan nasi goreng.
Saya tapi tidak makan minggu.
Oke.
Ya, hari. Satu hari. Bulan. 1 bulan 1 hari.
Oke. Karena menjaga badan seorang David da Silva. David da Silva or David da Silva or Dadang da Silva?
David. Ya, anak-anak saya suka bicara David. Ya, David. David. Yeah.
And your reaction is?
This make my day happy.
So
I start laugh a lot.
Yeah. So we can call you David.
David.
With P.
With P.
With
Yeah.
P and
David.
David da Silva. With P again.
Dadan, I see more the adults. The adults. Dadan. Yeah. Dadan. Yeah.
So you choose one, David or Dadang?
David.
David with
David.
P ya. Jadi sekarang kalau manggil
More
kalau
cute.
ketemu more
Yeah,
cute.
cute.
But for me it's more cute Dadang da Silva.
Dadan.
Iya.
Dadan. Because I see many youngs, the anak-anak, ya David saya suka. Ya, David.
Oke, David. Jadi kalau sekarang kalau ketemu nih ya di beberapa tempat, mungkin David lagi jalan-jalan gitu, panggil, halo David or Uncle David. David aja,
Ya.
tidak pakai kata uncle depannya. No, only David. David. Ya.
David.
David da Silva.
Butuh saya suka sama.
Apa?
Butuh
jalan-jalan.
Butut, ya, butut.
Oh, sop
Ya,
buntut.
sop butut.
Wow,
Ya.
kamu suka makan sop buntut?
Ya.
Iya. Bikin
suka.
sendiri?
Ya.
Bikin sendiri.
Sendiri.
Oh, your wife.
Ya, no.
Mhm.
Saya sendiri. Saya sendiri. Istri saya tidak. She likes everything. Ya, she likes more spice. Saya tidak suka.
Oke.
Panas ya. Pedas saya tidak suka.
Iya.
Saya bicara, tidak pedas ya, tidak pedas. Saya tidak suka. Ya.
Jadi seorang David,
Bala tidak try.
oh tidak try
coba, ya,
gorengan,
tidak coba.
fried,
Only nasi goreng.
only
Ya.
nasi goreng
Saya
saja.
lihat
Mhm.
nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng, oke. Jadi ini kalau menu sama David dibulak-balik, and pilihannya balik lagi back to nasi goreng.
Ya.
Nasi goreng ayam,
Ya, ayam,
mhm,
fish,
Fish.
ya ikan, ya
mhm,
saya suka.
mhm.
All
Lamb, kambing.
lamb, ya sama.
Oh, kamu suka
Lamb.
makan kambing?
Ya, lamb,
Mhm.
ayam,
Mhm.
ikan, saya
Mhm.
suka.
Oh, kamu suka.
Tidak pedas saya suka.
Oh, apapun tidak pedas.
Ya.
Pokoknya David suka. Berarti Omat Boboto ulah ngirimkeun seblak ka David
satu
mah.
bulan, 1 hari.
Oh iya, satu
Satu-
bulan. 1 bulan 1 hari.
Ya.
1 bulan 1 kali makan nasi
Ya,
goreng.
1 kali.
Iya, it's okay.
Ya.
Kalau untuk ya sekedar
Setelah pertandingan
Mhm.
saya bisa ya
makannya.
makan ya.
Oke.
Tidak
Small.
makan ya. Tidak makan pizza.
Tidak makan big size.
No,
Oh, big portion.
ya big portion?
Mhm.
No. Saya suka
Small.
ya small.
Oh, small portion.
Coba ya.
Oh,
Ya.
hanya untuk coba-coba,
Ya.
meren nyobian gitulah.
enjoy.
Ya.
Enjoy.
You have a favorite place in Bandung?
Saya pergi ke mall,
Mhm.
PVJ, ya. Playing with my kids,
Mhm.
anak-anak di sana.
Oke. Nah, dan Bobotoh, kita juga ingat bahwa di momen pada saat Persib juara tahun 2024, para tim media Persib pulang dari Madura ini tiba-tiba rambutnya pada botak. Nah, semuanya jadi kayak David da Silva ya. Jadi kayak David da Silva, jadi kayak Dadang da Silva. Dan pas begitu ditanya, "Kenapa botak? Kenapa botak?" gitu kan. Karena David. Dan siapa yang lari pada saat itu tidak mau dicukur? Satu orang media enggak. Kibau itu botak. Kamu cukur semua tim. Rivan botak.
Kamu, Raka? Botak ya?
Iya. Oh,
Ya.
Ijal.
Ijal.
Iya.
Ya.
Ijal. Alasan kamu
Saya
cukur
mau
gimana?
lagi ya.
Oh, kamu
Ya,
mau
saya
lagi?
Mau lagi.
Oke.
Ya, back to back.
Mhm.
All.
All.
Sekarang ya
Mhm.
no go.
Oh,
Ada
oke.
door.
Mhm.
Tidak pergi
Mhm.
before.
Semuanya
Ya,
dicukur botak.
semuanya.
Oke. Semuanya.
Ya, semuanya.
No
Ya,
excuse.
No excuse.
Oke, no excuse.
Ya.
Oke, but not me.
Not you.
Iya,
No,
iya.
no, no.
Tidak
You
semuanya, tidak semuanya. Hanya
Oke.
laki-laki ya.
Ya, oh,
Iya.
ya.
Oh ya, oke.
Ini.
Oke.
Eh,
Ya,
Ada 3 ini.
ada
Ya,
3 ya di
ya.
sini. Ya,
Ya,
oke.
ini ya sudah botak ya.
Dia sudah botak, betul sekali. Tapi berarti nih Bobotoh ya, nanti kalau misalnya insya Allah got back to back gitu ya. Jadi
Insya
ada sebuah nazar dari David da Silva. Bukan nazar sih, tapi sebenarnya kalau misalnya jadi juara lagi Persib back to back, nanti David akan mencukur tim medianya Persib Bandung. Wow.
All all botak.
All
banyak.
botak. All botak.
Sekarang ada surprise.
Apa?
Zul. Zul. Next week botak.
Botak
Ya,
juga.
botak. Pemain
Oke.
muda ya. Sekarang
Hmm.
pemain profesional ya botak.
Botak ya.
Ya, sekarang ya sudah selesai. Next week botak.
Botak
Ya.
ya.
Saya mau video, saya post Instagram.
Oh, di ospek berarti ku David da Silva pemain
Zul,
muda teh.
kamu lihat ya?
Iya.
Tag Zul.
Iya.
Zul.
Nanti akan dibilang sama Zul bahwa kamu mau tidak mau harus menuruti apa kata David da Silva. Nah, itu. Karena David da Silva ini udah bilang kalau kamu adalah pemain muda. Pemain muda itu kan harus kuatnya adalah mental ya. Misalnya mental.
Ya, mental.
Iya, mental. Jadi
bagus.
kalau misalnya cuma perkara botak doang mah gampang dong
Because
ya.
after be botak, he don't think about,
Ya,
he thinks only play.
Iya,
it's good.
agree. Betul
think
sekali.
about,
Jadi nggak perlu lagi mikirin style. Don't think about the style, hairstyle,
Don't think,
And
he
don't need
think about training.
Iya.
Be strong.
Iya.
Concentrate.
Agree.
If you
Betul.
don't have hair, you don't think about, it's easily.
Iya. Itu adalah pemikiran simpelnya, benar juga nih Bobotoh. Jadi untuk para pemain muda kalau misalnya memang botak kayak David da Silva gitu ya, atau untuk siapapun, jadi kayak kalau botak nggak punya lagi waktu untuk mikirin wah rambut kayaknya kurang nih, nggak perlu lagi juga pomade, styling kayak gitu, nggak perlu. Simple. Yang ada dalam pikiran adalah bagaimana caranya bermain baik, latihan. Nah itu David, balik lagi nih, kita tahu kalau Persib ini punya Bobotoh yang sangat banyak dan sangat luar biasa, and everybody likes you, love you. David da Silva. Bagaimana menurut kamu para Bobotoh yang sangat luar biasa ini, yang selalu mendukung kamu, support kamu?
This is a gift by God. I didn't expect, as I told everyone. This is how God wants, and I just follow. So I'm so happy to feel this affection from everybody, and for me also I try to give back in the field, to be ready to give more pleasure to them, to appreciate my name. So this is also back to back. So I feel very happy. This is my pleasure, and also I'm so blessed by God to feel in this moment. I enjoy this moment. I'm so happy here, as I say for everybody, and I hope I still more and more feeling this, and I give my best inside the field. Till I can do, I will do for sure. Inside the field, I will do for everybody. Yeah.
Okay.
I play for Bobotoh. I play for the jersey. So I feel pleasure to play here, and always I will be 100 inside the field for sure. For winning, for scoring, for everything they need me, I will do. Yeah, this is the most important.
Sebegitu besarnya cintanya para Bobotoh kepada David da Silva, dan sebegitu besarnya juga cintanya David da Silva untuk para Bobotoh yang tidak pernah berhenti untuk mendukung Persib. Oke, Bobotoh, mungkin satu pertanyaan yang juga banyak pengen ditanyain sama para Bobotoh nih. Pertandingan melawan Persija, against Persija, you come on the second half, ya, and make a goal, score, ya. Nah, David ini masuk sebagai pembeda di babak kedua, dan nggak tahu ya kalau Ninit pada saat David masuk ayah geretak, wah iya gol. Iya gol. Nah, ketawa berarti ngertiin bahasa Sunda. Sedikit gitu kan ya. Bagaimana tanggapan kamu pertandingan melawan Persija, dan kamu menjadi pembeda sekaligus juga kamu menyelamatkan Persib dari kekalahan? How do you say about the goal and the match against Persija? The atmosphere.
So I didn't think about the goal because I didn't expect that. I didn't control the ball to ship the ball, but they give me the opportunity because Andre Tani go out, and he didn't expect that I shoot, and he didn't come back fast, and also the Kudala was not ready to know about this. I think no one was expected that I do these things,
Yes.
and I was happy to accept the shoot. So I was concentrate. I think the focus to do the right things, and no one's expecting, and I did my job.
Yeah. Only DDS or Dadang Da Silva can do that. David Da Silva can do that. That's a beautiful goal, David Da Silva.
Thank you so much. Thank you. The most important is we draw the game with this goal. So this is another feeling also, the best feeling also. With the Nick Rocket also was amazing.
Yeah. Okay.
Two amazing goals.
Yes.
So,
agree.
Important.
Two amazing, two beautiful goal dari kandang Persija. Tadi kita sedikit bahas lagi, mengingatkan bahwa pertandingan yang tidak pernah mudah ini masih ada di depannya. Kita masih punya pertandingan sulit. Dan seperti yang David sampaikan, memang konsistensi, konsentrasi dan fokus serta kerja keras masih akan menjadi kunci untuk Persib meraih gelar juara atau back to back di musim ini.
Insyaallah.
Jadi kita juga akan bertanya sama David bagaimana prediksinya untuk pertandingan besok berhadapan dengan Persebaya, karena kita tahu juga Persebaya ini punya banyak pemain bagus juga. Lalu juga kalau misalnya kita menang dari Persebaya, ini penting banget Persib bisa meraih poin di kandangnya Persebaya Surabaya, karena kalau misalnya Persib meraih poin penuh pada saat away ke Persebaya, dan Persib akan semakin mantap di klasemen sementara Liga 1, dan juga ini mungkin akan agak sedikit panas Surabaya, karena memang pelatihnya ini mungkin akan semakin banyak diguncang gitu ya Boboto. Kita akan tanya seperti apa pendapat dari seorang David Da Silva. Your prediction against Persebaya?
Yeah, I think we win and they go out. Yeah, of course. Yeah. They always more constant than Persebaya. Persebaya lose many games, important games home and away also. Drop many important points, but they are strong on Surabaya. So I know how is there, and we have a strong match. We have a difficult match, hard match to play there. We have to be careful, but also we have I think best players. Yeah, we are best. The table show this. We are more consistent, and we have one more paper to write on Saturday. So I hope we're gonna win. This is my predicate. 1-0 is enough. David Da Silva score.
Yeah. Amin.
1-0 is fine.
Okay.
If not me scoring, anyone or also for me important winning. The most important to be champion, and if my goals help to be champion, I will constantly scoring, of course. But the most important who score, no matter. Most important 3 points in that moment.
David, yesterday we heard sad news that Coach Bejo, the legend of Persebaya, the fathers of Rian, is passed away. How do you see the situation, and how you close with Coach Bejo?
Yeah, this is so sad for me, principal, because I was there since I know him 2018 when I come to Persebaya. He was the assistant coach there. And I feel very bad because I was close to him. I saw him also when we were champion. I invited all his family to dinner with me, and I feel very, very sad about this. Also, my family knows him. I just pray for his family. Irianto also, he's close to me. We play in Persebaya and here Persib, and I just pray for God give the best things for him, for his family. In that moment, I give strength. I hope he need to be strong, and I give my prayer to him for these days.
Ya, jadi memang kesedihan yang mendalam. Kita juga mendengar sebuah kabar duka yang cukup mengagetkan di saat persiapan menuju pertandingan melawan Persebaya. Justru ada kabar duka datangnya dari legenda sepak bola Persebaya yang juga ayahanda dari Rahmat Irianto. Teriring doa terbaik juga untuk almarhum Coach Bejo sekali lagi, dan semoga Mas Rian dan keluarga diberikan kekuatan, ketabahan, dan juga keikhlasan. Terakhir, David Da Silva, do you wanna say something to all Bobotoh?
I hope they pray for us all the time.
Yes.
So we
Of
have
course.
a good travel in that moment. So we go away, and I hope anyone goes to Surabaya to do not good things, because we know that we have a problem if they go. And nonton the game, pertandingan di Roma, di cinema, di mana, nonton us and give support, because we will go there to collect 3 points, and we need the support from Bobotoh. Okay, Bobotoh, go strong as we go there, and give the best feelings for us to win this game. Thank you.
Thank you. Hatur nuhun David Da Silva.
David.
Thank you for coming. Terima kasih. Hatur nuhun David Da Silva. Sami-sami. Dan Bobotoh, seperti apa yang disampaikan oleh Kang David Da Silva, bahwa nonton Persib dari rumah, dari mana aja, tapi jangan datang ke Surabaya, jangan nonton ke stadion, karena itu juga tidak akan baik untuk Persib, nggak bagus buat Persib impactnya. Jadi berikan dukungan dari manapun, asal jangan datang ke stadion kalau misalnya lagi away. Beda kalau misalnya lagi home, datanglah sebanyak-banyaknya ke stadion dan berikan dukungan penuh dari para Bobotoh. Pertandingan besok merupakan pertandingan yang digelar di bulan puasa dan merupakan hari pertama dari bulan puasa atau bulan Ramadan di tahun 2025. Mudah-mudahan juga penuh berkah untuk Persib Bandung, diberikan hasil yang maksimal. Dalam perjalanan juga Persib diberikan keselamatan, dan di pertandingannya juga diberikan kemudahan, kelancaran. Tidak ada yang cedera juga dari para pemain. Kita aman sampai dengan selesai akhir musim. Kita sama-sama doakan Persib di musim ini jangan berhenti, jangan putus berdoa nih para Bobotoh ya. Biarkan para pemain berusaha di lapangan, kita juga mendukung dan berdoa supaya Persibnya juga baik dan semakin mantap di klasemen sampai dengan akhir musim. Akhir kata, saya Ninit Kaluna dan
David Da Silva,
Dadang Da Silva pamit dari podcast kali ini, di Persib Podcast kali ini. Hatur nuhun para Bobotoh yang sudah nonton, dan sampai jumpa lagi di Persib Podcast berikutnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. David. Oh, David Da Silva. Oh, David Da Silva. Oh, David Da Silva. Yang keras. Oh, David Da Silva. Oh, David Da Silva. Oh, David Da Silva.